Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Priscilla Ekpaita, founder and instructor of Speak Excellent English Academy. I'm inviting you to join our completely free English learning community. Would you like to speak English with greater confidence? Do you want a welcoming place where you can learn, practice, ask questions, and connect with other English learners? If your answer is yes, Speak Excellent English Academy may be the right community for you. Speak Excellent English Academy is designed primarily for beginner and intermediate non-native English speakers. It is for adults who want to improve their English for everyday conversations, work, travel, personal growth, and meaningful connections. You do not need perfect English to join us. You only need a willingness to listen, speak, practice, and participate. There is no cost to become a member. The Academy is completely free to join. Inside the Academy, you will practice speaking, vocabulary, listening, pronunciation, and everyday conversation. Lessons may include useful expressions, collocations, pronunciation practice, speaking exercises, and opportunities to create your own sentences. The goal is not simply to memorize English. The goal is to help you use English naturally, clearly, and confidently. As a member, you will have access to recorded lessons, practical learning activities, speaking practice, community discussions, and opportunities to ask questions. We will also have 2 live group classes each month. These live classes will give you additional opportunities to listen, participate, and practice your English with support. All of these Academy learning opportunities are currently offered completely free. The Academy has 3 important areas. In the classroom, you will find your orientation, lessons, and learning activities. In the community, you can introduce yourself, participate in discussions, ask questions, and post activity responses. The calendar will show you upcoming live classes and Academy events. A complete orientation video inside the Academy will guide you through each step. Remember, you do not need perfect English to participate. Mistakes are a natural and valuable part of learning. You improve your English by listening, speaking, practicing, and participating. Speak Excellent English Academy is intended to be a supportive place where you can build confidence one step at a time. If Speak Excellent English Academy sounds like the right community for you, I would love to welcome you. There is no cost to join. Membership is completely free. Use the link in the description below to learn more and request to join. After you enter the Academy, begin with the Start Here Academy orientation in the classroom. I look forward to learning with you, supporting your English journey, and celebrating your progress. Use the link below, and I'll see you inside Speak Excellent English Academy.